Crash Course Report. Membership Site Money Train. Set up reoccurring income. The importance of a paid membership site. Paid membership sites are very important. They are a great way of making an income. To webmasters, it doesn't matter if they're new to the game or very experienced. The simple model of charging for exclusive content pays a large part online these days. For instance, just have a look at the Financial Times. They are now charging $80 per year for users to get their exclusive content online, and it's converting like crazy. If a well-known company like the Financial Times are doing it, then why aren't you? You see, membership sites are important because they are a great source of revenue for a website. A website which would otherwise struggle to be profitable from PPC advertising, affiliate programs, and product sales alone now has a new alternative way of making cash by making users believe they are getting exclusive content, better than the content on the normal free-to-use website. Getting the news quicker than anyone else, getting exclusive content which is only for them. They are easy to run, simple to manage, and easy to make money from. A membership site is one of the quickest, easiest, and most reliable ways to make money online these days. That's why they are important as far as income is concerned. You can make money from multiple revenue streams. Once you have sold the membership, you can sell additional services, additional bolt-on, add-on subscriptions, or premium content even on a pay-per-use or pay-per-view service. They provide multiple ways to profit from them and their members. Membership websites are important as they have multiple ways you can actually make money from them. You can promote affiliate products earnings commission on sales. You can get paid for reviewing products on your membership private blog. As long as the product is relevant, then you can include it for review in the system. You can place banner advertisements on the home page, although mainly you would keep this clean and respectable, and mainly targeting the users towards signing up. But as this page will get a lot of traffic, you can place banner ads and also PPC advertising on there too. This will mean you are maximizing profit. They spawn and attract a responsive audience full of dedicated customers. One important factor regarding membership websites is the fact that all of the customers are actually all dedicated to the niche. They are targeted customers already to be sold to. The more content you publish, the more they will read. The more they read, the more you make from advertising. Simple steps to running a membership site. There can be a lot of different aspects to running a membership site. You have to factor in the setup process and marketing process. But right now, let's focus on how. After you're all set up, you can keep the membership site running like a breeze. Here's a few simple steps that you can use to keep your gears rolling on your membership site without falling behind or getting overwhelmed. Keep the content fresh. Keep the content fresh every month. Update the site with fresh new guides, how-tos, videos, podcasts, images, downloadable images, software, tools, etc. Anything to keep the content fresh. Your users will get tired if they are just seeing the same content all the time on the site. The users will love it when the site is being updated. Just make sure you are at least putting content maybe 4 times a month, 1 time a week, and then you're fine. Once a month minimum though. And if possible, 4 to 8 times a month, or whenever you feel it's time to make an update. Keep the community buzzing. Keep the users on your site always interacting with each other. If you are using the forum model, then you need to make sure your users are having healthy discussions regarding your chosen topic. You might even need to sneak in there and post a few questions or answers just to stir things up a bit and get a bit of activity going on from time to time. Treat your members like gold dust. They truly are. Make your users feel loyal to you. Make them think they are worshipped by you. Give them free goodies for doing nothing but be a member. This way, they will have no reason to cancel their subscription. Give them random supersizes, such as a special free ebook about the topic. Say it's exclusive to your membership site and will not be getting released anywhere else. Market your website social on social networks. Get involved in social networking. Jump onto Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Release a small sneak preview of your membership site access. Regularly post testimonials from other users on Facebook, and tease Facebook and Twitter users. Make them feel like they're missing out on something hot. Always leave your members hanging. Here's a little tip that a lot of bigwigs use in their marketing strategy, so pay attention closely to this one. The art of making your member hanging on a cliff edge. Tell them that next month there will be something 100% worth waiting for. Don't leave things out, but make sure they want to stick around to see what's in store for the future. Marketing strategies for your membership site. Once your membership website is ready to launch, it's time to market it. Get connecting on social networks and get your users marketing it for you. Here's just a few marketing tactics that you can utilize in your promotion efforts for any of your membership sites. As always, you should constantly try to think outside the box and put your own spin on these kinds of ideas. Search engine marketing. You need to make sure your membership website can be found on the internet. Search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Microsoft Bing, and others. You need to make sure you're following the steps in the search engine optimization area of the ebook. This will tell you how to optimize your pages so they can be found higher in the search engines. You need to make sure all of your meta tags, keywords, are up to standard, and you need to focus on pumping fresh, unique content onto your homepage of your blog regularly. If you place fresh content on your site daily, then this will help your website search engine results. Obviously, this depends on the amount of time you have to spend on your membership site. Even if you just write a 250, 300-word article daily, giving a sneak preview into what's behind the closed door of the exclusive membership site, then this will help the search engine results. Try get some paid search engine marketing on the go as well. Look into a small AdWords campaign. Spend maybe $50 and see what works. What keywords are bringing the most signups, and then start to use these keywords in your search engine optimization efforts. Run a referral contest. If you have some sort of affiliate program for your membership website, then all you need to do is introduce a one-off contest to build some buzz. Say to users, in a 3-month timescale, the user who has recommended the most amount of subscribers will win a lifetime membership, or something along those lines. This will really push numbers of the subscribers up and really build buzz on the site. Social networking. You need to get signed up with Twitter to post daily, weekly, monthly updates about your certain subject. Also use Twitter to connect with other people who are interested in your niche. Have a chat with them and introduce them to your site. You need to also get signed up with Facebook and create a group or a small app promoting your membership site. Affiliate marketing. Again, only if you have an affiliate program script installed on your membership site, then you will be able to engage in affiliate marketing for your membership website. You will be able to ask bloggers in the same niche as you write a review about your membership website, and then ask them to link your program with the affiliate link, meaning that anyone who signs up using that link, the blogger will then earn a small commission, which will cover the costs of writing the review on their site. Forum promotion. Try finding relevant forums on the topic of your membership site and talk to users in these forums. Change your avatar on the forums to be a logo of your website, and also make your signature a link to your website. You can even leave a little coupon code in your signature link, giving the forum user a very small discount. At least this way, you know where that user has come from too. Promoting your membership sites for free. If you are looking at keeping your costs down, and you're wanting to promote your membership site for free, then it can be done quite easily by using the power of social media and a few other methods. Facebook. Sign up to Facebook. Create a group or fan page and start to invite people with similar interests to your membership site to the group. Start pushing out sneak peeks of your premium content to the Facebook group and get your Facebook fans interested. You can also ask your existing users if they haven't already joined the group or page on Facebook, then they can do so and also share it with their friends. Make sure that you always cross-promote content and even do content locking as a method to draw in more visitors and outside traffic and keep people coming back. Twitter. Follow people on Twitter with similar interests. Start talking to them. Make conversation. Get them interested in your membership website. Offer your Twitter followers a 24-hour coupon discount code to get in for 50% off for 1 month if they join today. Make sure you are cross-promoting your Twitter and Facebook accounts, and also use these platforms to promote your other profiles on other sites. You can even ask your users on your website to follow you on Twitter in your regular newsletters, posts, or any other kind of update. Dig. Reddit. Social news websites such as Dig and Reddit are free to post content on. What you want to do is write an article on why your website is great to sign up to. For anyone wanting to learn more about the chosen niche, make an article really tempting for users. Really sell the features and benefits of the product to them. Then, post a link to this article on social news websites such as Dig and Reddit. You can also ask your members if they have Dig and Reddit accounts to favorite and dig the stories, helping them get more traction. You can also put the links to the stories on Dig and Reddit, which oftentimes get linked to Twitter and Facebook. Article marketing. Article marketing is a great free way to explain to the world that your membership product has arrived on the scene. You need to make sure you have a well-written press release, selling the features and benefits of the service. Submit this all to the free article directories and press release sites for backlinks and extra exposure. A lot of marketers will make an effort to grab content from article directories, and therefore you will have tons of viral content and with your links and branding everywhere. This means tons more traffic and promotion for you again and again. Just always make sure that you release and promote your business and membership site with top quality content, products, and services. Conclusion. If you are constantly putting forth the effort and the time to grow and expand your membership site, and if you put the information laid out in this report into action, you should see a constant flow of growth and traffic. Make sure that you always test different methods and never stay dormant. Now that you have some essential methods for running, promoting, and growing out your membership site, get out there and start taking action. Good luck.